Priya from Government Degree College, Hyderabad, Karimnagar district. We made a study project on Jignasa study, student study project 2026. Myself, Vaishnavi, I am studying BA first year.
My name is Asad. I am studying BA first year.
I am Yakuti, BA first year.
I am Jansi, BA first year.
I am G. Renuka, BA first year.
Our topic is Gram Panchayat and Women Empowerment and Active Leadership and Women Participation, Department of Political Science. Now, introduction. Gram Panchayat. What is Gram Panchayat? Gram Panchayat considered as the cornerstone of the Panchayat Raj system, which operates at village or small town level. The voters of villages of elect its DG in its jurisdiction. It is a self-governed institution. The number of members in a Gram Panchayat depends upon the population of the village. The Panchayat is elected for 5 years. The members of the Panchayat are elected directly by the people of the village.
Women empowerment and Grama Panchayat. Women constitute almost 50% of the population. Reservation of seats for women in Panchayat Raj institutions. 73rd Constitution Amendment Act 1992. There is the need to build the capacities of elected women representatives in order to achieve their active participation in Panchayat Raj institutions.
Objectives: to examine the role of Gram Panchayat in promoting women empowerment, to analyze the leadership roles performed by women representatives, to study the level of women's participation in decision making, to identify challenges faced by women leaders.
Hypothesis: reservation in Gram Panchayat significantly increases women's political participation. Women leaders actively participate in decisions making processes in Gram Panchayat. Women's leadership in Gram Panchayat contributes positively to rural development.
Findings: increased representation. Many states provides 50% reservation. Greater visibility of women in local governance. Increased confidence and leadership skills. Greater awareness of right side schemes. Thank you.